Welcome back, children. The last class we have studied how to write the equations of tangents and normals to a curve at the given point. So today we can do some more problems. The first one, find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at the point 1, 3. So we have to find the equation of the tangent. Tangent means it's a straight line. So how to write the equation of the tangent? You know that equation of the tangent is this form: y minus y0 is equal to slope of the tangent to the curve at the point into x minus x0. This is the format equation of the tangent. So first we have to find the point is given, that is x0, y0 is given as 1, 3. Now we have to find the slope of the tangent to the curve. So curve equation is given, y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. This is the curve. Then what is the slope of the tangent to the curve? Slope of the tangent to the curve at 1, 3 is defined as, how it is defined? Is the derivative is dy by dx at 1, 3. This is the slope of the tangent to the curve at the point 1, 3. So now we can find the derivative. So what is the derivative? Dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to, differentiate this with respect to x. X raised to 4, derivative is 4x cube minus 6 is a constant, 6 into x cube derivative 3x square. So that becomes 18x square plus 13 is a constant, x square derivative is 2x. So 13 into 2 is 26x, then minus 10 is a constant, 10 into derivative of x is 1. So this is the derivative. Now we have to find, so this is not the slope. Slope means we have to substitute the point. So dy by dx, look the notation, put a bracket like this, 1, 3. That's equal to, substitute x as 1 and y as 3. But here only x. So substitute 1. So 4 into 1 cube minus 18 into 1 square plus 26 into 1 minus 10. Now calculate the value. So 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. That is 26 and 4 is 30. Minus 10 minus 18 is minus 28. So that's equal to 2. So this is the slope of the tangent to the curve at the point 1, 3. Now we can write the equation. Therefore, equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent to the curve at 1, 3 is y minus y0 is equal to slope into, this is the equation. Okay, just substitute in this equation. So what is y0? 1, 3 is the point. So y0 means it is 3. Y minus 3 into slope is 2 into x minus 1, which implies, open the bracket, y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. Or we can write y is equal to 2x, take 3 to this side, becomes 1. So this is the equation of the tangent to the curve. That is a curve, this is the equation, this is the curve, a tangent. Tangent means it's a line passing through a single point. Here the point is given. The point of contact of the tangent and curve is 1, 3. So what did we write? This is the equation of this line. Equation of the tangent to this curve at the point 1, 3. Understood all of you? Now the next one, Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve which is parallel to the line and perpendicular to the line. Two questions are here. We have to write equation of the tangent line to the curve. Curve is given, then the point is not given. In the previous question, point is given, slope is not given, so we found the slope. Here, point is not given, but this tangent line, this tangent line is parallel to another line. So, if you draw the figure, curve, you can draw curve any shape because it is difficult to plot the points. So, just draw one curve and tangent. This is the tangent to the curve. This tangent, what is given? The first one. What is given the first one? The tangent is parallel to the line. So, there is another line that is parallel to the tangent. The parallel line, that equation is 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So, tangent and this line are parallel means if two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So, we will get the slope of the tangent. Then curve is there, from that we can find the points. So, the first we can write the derivative. Y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 is the equation of the curve. Now, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. The point of contact is not given. So, let the point of contact, we do not know which is that point, we can give just x1 comma y1. So, this is the derivative only. So, slope of the tangent to the curve, at x1 y1 is dy by dx at x1 comma y1. So, that is equal to, substitute x1 here. So, 2x1 minus 2. So, that is the slope of the tangent to the curve. We do not know the value of x1. For that, we can use slope. Since, so this is the first part of the question. Since the tangent line is parallel to, which line? 2x minus to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So, we can reduce this equation in the form y equal to mx plus c, that is y is equal to 2x plus 9, that is the equation of this line. So, compare this equation with y equal to mx plus c, y is equal to mx plus c. So, what is the slope of that line? Therefore, m is equal to 2. Slope of this line, which line? 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Is slope of this line is equal to 2. Since this line and the tangent are parallel, so we can write, therefore, slope of the tangent line is also 2. Now, what did we write here? Slope of the tangent to the curve is 2x1 minus 2. So, this 2x1 minus 2 and 2 are equal, isn't it? So, which implies, therefore, 2x1 minus 2 is equal to 2, or 2x1 is equal to 4, or x1 is equal to 2. So, one coordinate we get, that is x1 is equal to 2. Now, one more point is there, x1 comma y1, that is the point of contact. So, we have to find y1. So, how we get y1? This x1 comma y1, where it lies on the curve. So curve equation is given, there you can substitute. Therefore y1 is equal to x1 square. x1 square minus 2x1 plus 7. Since, writing the reason, since x1 comma y1 lies on the curve. So substitute 2. Therefore y1 is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. 4 minus 4 cancel, so y1 is equal to 7. Therefore point of contact or point of intersection is, which is that point, 2 comma 7. Understood this much? So in this question we have to find the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent to the curve, which is the first part is which is parallel to another line. So for writing the equation we need slope and the point of contact. Here point is not given, slope is not given. Slope we can find by using the relation tangent and the line, the given line are parallel. So from that we get the slope. Then slope of the, another way to find the slope of the tangent is the derivative of the curve at the point of contact. So from that we get, this is the derivative, 2x minus 2. Then we suppose that x1 y1 be the point of contact. So we substitute 2x1 minus 2 is the slope, but slope of this second line is 2. So we can equate since the lines are parallel. So from that we get x1 is equal to 2. Now x1 y1 lies on the curve, substitute in the curve equation, from that we get y1. Now we can write the equation. So equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is tangent to the curve at which point? 2 comma 7 is y minus y0 means the point y minus 7 is equal to slope. What is the slope of the tangent line? 2. 2 into x minus 2. Now open the bracket. Y is equal to 2x minus 4 or y is equal to 2x plus 3. Or you can write y minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Anyway you can write. Okay. So this is the equation of the tangent. So here starting you have to write that let x1 comma y1 be the point of contact or point of intersection. Anyway you can write. Okay. I hope you understood this. Now the second part of the question is, the tangent line is perpendicular to the line. The tangent is perpendicular to the line. So there is another line, these two lines are, this tangent and this line are perpendicular. What is the condition for perpendicularity? If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So first we can find the slope of this line. So second part of the question, the equation is 5y minus 15x is 13. 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. Am I right? Yes. So now reduce this equation to the form y is equal to mx plus c. So which implies 5y is equal to 15x plus 13, or that implies y is equal to divide by 5, 3x plus 13 by 5. Therefore what is m? Slope of this second line, perpendicular line, is equal to 3. Since tangent and this line, what is the equation? 5y minus 15x is equal to 13 are perpendicular. Hence the slope of the tangent is slope of the tangent is equal to, what is the slope of the tangent? These two lines are perpendicular, means m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, or slope of the tangent is negative 1 by this number. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Let m1 be the slope of the tangent and m2 is this 3. So, what is m1? Minus 1 by 3. So, it is minus 1 by 3. Then, first we have find the slope of the tangent to the curve is 2x minus 2. Now, we have to equate that. Therefore, 2x minus 2. 2x1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Any doubt in that? Look here. The slope of the tangent to the curve at x1, y1 is 2x1 minus 2. We have to equate, then only we can find the points. So, 2x1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So, what is x1? 2x1 is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3, or 2x1 is equal to 5 by 3, or x1 is equal to 5 by 6. Okay. Now, we have to find y1. From where we get y1? x1, y1 lies on the curve. So, substitute this x1 to the curve equation. What is the curve equation? Y is equal to what is the equation? X1 square minus 2x1 plus 7. X1 square minus 2x1 plus 7. Okay. So, y1 is equal to x1 square means 5 by 6 whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7, which implies y1 is equal to 25 by 36 minus 10 by 6 plus 7. Taking LCM, which implies y1 is equal to 25, 36 is the LCM. So, 10 into, we have to multiply by 6. So, 60 plus 7 into 36. 36 into 7, 252. Now, 252 plus 25 is 277. 277 minus 60, that is 217 by 36. That is y1. Now, we can write the equation. Therefore, equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is y minus y0, that is 217 by 36 is equal to slope. Here slope is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is slope of the tangent. So, minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1. What is x1? 5 by 6. Now, simplify that. So, 36y minus 217 by 36 is equal to minus x by 3 plus 5 by 18, or 36y minus 217 by 36. Here 18 is the LCM, minus 6x plus 5. 36 and 18 cancel, 2. Now, cross multiply. So, 36y minus 217 is minus 12x plus 10, or we can write 12x plus 36y minus 227 is equal to 0. So, this is the required equation of the tangent. Now, the next one, find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. Find the points. We have to find the points on the curve. Curve equation is given y is equal to x cube, at which the slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. So, y equal to x cube is the equation of the curve. Then from this we can find slope of the tangent to the curve. Then the point is not given, that points only we have to find. So let x1, y1 be the point of intersection or point of contact, point of intersection of the curve and the tangent. So what is the slope of the tangent? Slope of the tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve at the point is x1, y1. This x1, y1 only we have to find is dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Now we can find dy by dx. If y is equal to x cube, dy by dx is equal to 3x square. Now substitute the point. Therefore dy by dx at x1, y1, that means it is 3x1 square. Then what is given in the question? The slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate. So we can write, it is given that, what is given? It is given that 3x1 square is equal to y coordinate of the point. What is the y coordinate? y1. Okay, 3x1 square is equal to y. Now this x1 and y1 lies on the curve, isn't it? Since the point x1 comma y1 lies on the curve, which is the curve y is equal to x cube. Y is equal to x cube. Therefore we can substitute the point here. y1 is equal to x1 cube. Therefore 3x1 square equal to y1. For that y1 we can substitute x1 cube. Now we can find the values. So 3x1 square, or I can take this to that side, x1 cube minus 3x1 square is equal to 0, which implies x1 square we can take out, then x1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Children, please don't cancel x1 square and x1 cube. So you will get answer as x1 equal to 3, only one point you will get. You have to do always like this, take common outside. So here you will get x1 equal to 0, that value also. So x1 square into x1 minus 3 equal to 0 means x1 is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to 3. Now find the corresponding y value. So when x1 is equal to 0, what is y1? Substitute, where we can substitute here? y1 is equal to x1 cube. So y1 is also 0. Now when x1 is equal to, which is the other point? 3. So what is y1? 3 cube, that is equal to 27. So what are the required points? Therefore required points are, here we get 2 points, that is the tangent and curve intersect at 2 points. Which 2 points? 0, 0 and 3, 27. Okay. Now the next one. For the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5, find all the points at which tangent passes through the origin. Once again, for the curve y is equal to, curve equation is given, find all the points. Here also we have to find the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. So slope is not given, point we have to find, only the given that the tangent passes through the origin. So first we can find the derivative. We can find the slope and point we don't know. Let x1, y1 be the point of contact or be the point of intersection. That only we have to find. Point of intersection of the curve and the tangent. Instead of x1, y1 you can take x0, y0, anyway x2, y2, whatever. Now, what is the slope of the tangent? Slope of the tangent to the curve at x1 comma y1 is dy by dx at the point x1, y1. This is slope of the tangent to the curve at the point. So, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is 12x square, isn't it? 4 is a constant, x cube derivative 3x square, minus 2 is a constant, x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4. So, we get 10x raised to 4. Now, we have to give the point. So, dy by dx at this x1 comma y1, that is 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 raised to 4. So, that is the slope of the tangent to the curve. But here this x1 is unknown, we do not know, that we have to find. So, now what we do is x1 comma y1, this lies on the curve, which is the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. So, we can substitute x1 for this x and y1 for this y. Therefore, y1 is equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 raised to 5. Okay. This we write as equation 1. From this we won't get x1, value of x1. So, we need to write one more equation. That equation is equation of the tangent. Now, what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent to the curve at x1 comma y1 is, equation of tangent means y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0, that format. So, y minus y0 means the point, here the point is y1, and slope we can write only in this form. So, slope is 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to 4. This is slope of the tangent to the curve into x minus x0 is x1. Now, this is the equation of tangent. This tangent passes through, in the question it is given that it passes through the origin. It passes through the origin means we can substitute 0, 0, where we can substitute for this x and y, since the line passes through the origin. Since this line, this tangent passes through, this passes through 0, 0. Don't substitute 0 for x1 and 0 for y1. Why? Because this x1, y1 is the point of contact of the tangent and the curve. So, it is not given that this is the point of contact. The point of contact we took as x1 and y1. This 0, 0 means the tangent line, it passes through. This is a point on the tangent. So, you have to substitute this for x and y. So, 0 minus y, since it passes through, 0 minus y1 is equal to 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to 4 into 0 minus x1. Now, we can multiply that right hand side. So, minus y1 is equal to minus of, so minus minus cancel, multiply this bracket with this x1. So, 12 x1 cube minus 10 x1 raised to 5. Okay. So, y1 is equal to 12 x1 cube minus 10 x1 raised to 5, equation number 2. Now, you compare 1 and 2, left side is equal. So, we can equate the right hand side. Compare equations 1 and 2. Therefore, 12x1 cube minus 10x1 raised to 5 is equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 raised to 5. x1 cube take to one side and x1 raised to 5 to the other side. Okay. So 8x1 cube is equal to 8x1 raised to 5. 8 cancel. So x1 cube we can take outside. So 1 minus x1 square is equal to 0. So x1 cube equal to 0 or x1 square is equal to 1. So what are the values of x1? Which implies x1 is 0 or x1 is 1 or x1 is minus 1. So we have 3 values for x1. Now find the corresponding values of y1. So when x1 is equal to 0, what is y1? From where we get this y1? From the equation of the curve. What is the equation of the curve? 4x cube minus 2x1 raised to 5. Okay. So y1 is equal to, when x1 is equal to 0, both the parts 0. So y1 is 0. Equation is 4x cube minus 2x1 raised to 5. This is the equation. 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. Yes, 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. So when x1 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 2. So when x1 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to 4 into minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 raised to 5. So that is minus 4 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the question is, what are the required points? So the points are, the first point is 0, 0, the second point is 1, 2, the next point is minus 1, minus 2. So these are the 3 required points through which, and these are the point of contact of the line and the tangent passes through this origin. Okay, I hope you understood this.